Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve web hosting solutions with Bluehost. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your web hosting solutions with Bluehost, start by logging into your Bluehost account. Navigate to your dashboard once you've successfully logged in. Look for the My Sites section on the dashboard. Click on the site you want to improve. This will open a menu with several options related to your website. Select the Settings tab for your site. Here, you can adjust various settings to enhance your site's performance. Focus on the Performance section. Enable caching by using the integrated caching tools provided by Bluehost. Caching helps deliver your content faster to users. Next, review the security options. Enable SSL for your website if it's not already activated. Having an SSL certificate ensures secure data transfer and builds trust with users. Now, move to the Domains section. Consider enabling domain privacy to keep your personal information safe. Next, check your email settings under the Email tab. Set up professional email accounts associated with your domain. This boosts your credibility and brand image. Return to the main dashboard and look for the Marketing section. Utilize the SEO tools available to optimize your site for search engines. Input relevant keywords and descriptions to improve your site's visibility. Now, let's look at backups. Visit the Backup section to set up regular backups of your website. Regular backups ensure that your data is safe in case of an unexpected issue. Lastly, always monitor your site's performance. Use the analytics tools provided in your dashboard to track visitor activity. Regular checks help you identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you'll significantly enhance your web hosting solutions with Bluehost. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.